So I have opened up this project, come over to checklists. I will click here to create a new checklist. I will give it a name. Let's say that I want to keep track of my work for this feature. We'll just call it feature 1. And checklist type needs to be project files, not generic lists, because we're dealing with the files in our projects. I'm going to leave templates blank. Now I come down to master. All right, I'm going to select my feature 1 branch because it has that content that's in development for that feature. So it makes sense to connect it with that one. Going to come into columns. So I just added these 4 things: edit, add to TOC, spell check, and review. I want to make sure that I do all of that for all the topics that I associated with this checklist. Come into rows. I maybe want to include this, and maybe I want to include all of these things in my checklist. Click Save. There it is. There's my checklist that is associated with that branch. Now I can come up here, go into the properties, and I could change the branch to something else. You can do that, but just one word of caution, really you should create a separate checklist for each branch that you need to. And the reason I say this is because if you come in here and you set the status on a topic, and that same topic is in the other branch, and then you change it to a different status, and then you go back to the original branch, if you're just kind of flip-flopping like that, well, your status is not going to be what you originally set. You're going to lose that. It'll be whatever the most recent one was.